Good morning. This is Paul Halter with Home Source Lending. I'm bringing you the morning mortgage moment. Thank you for taking time to listen this morning. I'm here to talk to you about whether you're on a roller coaster, and I got a picture here, although it's not real fancy, but it has higher tops and lower bottoms. It's a lot more thrilling, but it also carries some pretty strong negatives. This is the Wave, which has still some hills and it has some valleys, but they're certainly not as sharp as the mortgage roller coaster. We want to take you on a mortgage Wave. You know, times are difficult. We as a lender are delivering into mortgage-backed securities that are basically insured or guaranteed into a pool by Fannie or Freddie. They're having to walk through some pretty treacherous waters to get investors to put their money into mortgages. So they're tightening many of the requirements. And then there's the investors that actually pool those loans into Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac pools. And they're also in this tightrope of creating mortgage instruments that have to be sold in mortgage-backed securities. And they have a set of rules that also have overlays that cause issues at some point. Here at Home Source Lending, we're starting and taking your application with a check sheet documenting all the forms, many today. You'd be shocked to see the package of documents we now create. But we have a checklist that check before the borrower ever comes in to sign, and then he signs all the documents and we get all the information. We have a checklist that says we got all the borrower credit and income information that we need and asset information to get it prepared to submit to underwriting to be underwritten. We also then take and make sure that your contract's complete and that you actually have the borrower, if they're going to have time for a home inspection or term right report, that all that's out of the way before we spend the borrower's money on an appraisal and acceptable. Once the appraisal's ordered, we put it through a pool that is of appraisers that are excellent, and they do the best in the market because they're local, they know the market, and they've been around for a long time. You know, being on a wave and not a roller coaster is critical. So come have Home Source Lending pre-qualify your borrower. Join us on the Wave. That's our goal. Make things more like a wave for you through this mortgage time that has some difficult challenges in it. Paul Halter, pre-qualify your buyers at 349-1200. Thank you.